In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your spoken language on ChatGPT. By changing to your spoken language, then ChatGPT will be able to auto-detect your language each and every time you use this dictation feature or when you use speech. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, head over to your ChatGPT account, log in with your account name and click on your account profile, then go to settings. Under settings, choose general, and under general, go down to spoken language. We are told for best results, select the language you mainly speak. If it's not listed, it may still be supported via auto detection. Here you can see it is set to auto, but you can now change this to any of these languages, and you can see we have quite a number of them. Now choose your language. For instance, I'll choose Swahili here, and then this will switch to the language that I'm comfortable with. So each and every time I dictate in Swahili, ChatGPT will have no issue picking up or writing my language. So that's how you can change your spoken language in ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.